Today is day 6 on the project. The lot has now been cleared, the stumps are gone, the trees are gone, it's all been hauled off. So now we're ready to lay out the initial footprint of the house so the excavators can come back, and then they're going to cut the foundation hole out. Let's go out now on the site and we're going to show you how we lay out the footprint. On the perimeter of the lot now, on the rear side, orange fence you see, this is an erosion control fence. We dig in a small trench at the bottom and we actually dig it in, we call keying it in. That way any soil erosion that happens during construction will get caught on the fence right here and not erode over to the other side of the property line onto somebody else's property. This is also a building department requirement as part of our erosion control measure. We've gone to the 2 property corners with 2 different tape measures. From that property corner to the stake, we need, I'm going to tell you the number. That's how we do this. That number is going to be 47 feet 8 inches from that front property corner to here. And also from here, going to go all the way down the other side.
47, right?
47, 8, and 91, 5.
91, 5, right there.
Right there. So basically just triangulation. We can set this up AutoCAD on the computer. It's very easy to do to identify the property corners. I've got a back corner here, the front corner here, and I know to come from this corner up to the garage, I need 91 feet 5 inches and 47 foot 8 inches. There's that corner. Back corner, I come in 25 foot 3 and 99 foot 3. There's the next corner. So now these 2 corners of the house have been determined. So now I know my setbacks are correct, rear setback, side setback, front street setbacks. Once we get these 2 corners in, we're going to spin around now. We're going to put all the corners of the house on the ground. This isn't going to be for the final layout for the foundations. Although we're pretty accurate, this is just for the excavator, so he knows where to cut for the certain depths for the foundations, because we have a step in the foundation and we also have a lower level and an upper level. So this is pretty close, but it's not precise. And we know from the back corner up, it's going to be 92 feet 8 inches. And from that back corner of the house, we're going to come up 81 foot 8. And by putting those 2 numbers together where they intersect, that's the front corner of the garage, or the left side of the garage. So that's how we're dropping that corner on the ground. Now we're going to have the outline of the house, the perimeter, done here in a few minutes by doing this. Then we'll come inside and we'll start putting in some of the interior retaining walls, and there's some strip footings. We'll start laying that out at some point. So that's where we are now.